Hey guys, it's EXE Gaming to you today, and we are recording instead of live streaming. Because it's $50,000. Okay, Zach, I'm in I'll tell you, I'm in Meads. I don't know. Is that whereabouts are you? Where the hell is that? Is it in Italy? I cancelled it. So where are you going? Why are you going to Torino? I'll meet you in Paris. Nah, I don't know where I'm gonna go. I can get a load to Dindon. I can get a load to Ginger John. Ginger John. By Paris. Yeah. Johnny. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, I need to change my computer. I crashed already. Have you got a job to G John? Oh shit, I just flipped the whole truck over. I don't know how I came out of the roundabout. Okay, let's go. 27 Ks to get my load and then like another 140, 200 Ks. How many people are on the server? Oh, let's go. Oh shit, I wasn't looking. Whoa. Nah, I was on the grass. I was on the grass and I came back on the road and I went bang. You call me a shit driver, Zach. I just look what I just heard in the back. I crashed once and then all I hear is just doom 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 doom. I had 5% damage. I can pay for the debt you owe. How can you crash into your own trailer? I keep crashing into it. Yeah. It's called skills. Charlotte. That's meant to set XX Gaming, man. Oh shit. Shut up, Zach. Okay, I'm 247 Ks out. No, 245. Oh, you should beat me there. Yeah. I don't. No, it just does that because of the rate going through. I don't lag at all. It's just because it's going through Twitch, and Twitch is in America, I think. Oh shit, my controller turned off. I mean, not my controller, my wireless keyboard. And I went to turn and I carried on straight ahead. I got the wrong way. You might. Oh, there's two people by me. I never saw that red light. No. I'm just jumping on the freeway or the back roads to Dinjon. 220 K. I'm carrying 2 diggers. A yellow one and a grey one. Red. I don't know. Ow, my penis. Zach, do you know Carl streams? Got more than me. Yeah. Get a better computer and you can live stream. I live stream a lot, but ah shit. What are you playing? Oh shit, I'm not watching when I'm driving. Lana removed me off Skype. And I think she did on Facebook too. Let's have a look. Yeah, she did. I don't really care, to be honest. Yeah. Oh, she did remove me. Yep. Yeah. I removed 156K out. She removed my Facebook too, so I deleted her number. Two days later, she texts me back going, sorry. Two, 3 years. Yeah. Like 100 times. No. She's annoying. Da-na-na-na. She's my friend. I don't know. Forgot. But it's her fault that she removed me. I ain't accepting anything to do with her now. She messaged me on Facebook, I ain't gonna reply or anything. I don't know, I ain't doing it. I've got nothing to do with her now. She can go die in a hole. That's all I care. No, I can't be that mean. But she's annoying. So I ain't talking to her. She only goes out with perfect guys. According to her. Or this guy called Harley. She said she hates her and shit. I'm still recording. I forgot. Holy crap. Yeah. I should put a name in the comment section and everybody go hate. See how bad she feels in. Nah, but like she only goes for like good ass guys or rich people like me. I guess so. Yeah, they buy me everything. No, they don't. They hate me. They don't buy me jack shit. I'm the one who buys everything for myself. Bought a $2,500 computer. Bought a $1,500 TV. Bought an Xbox. Bought a laptop. Bought a desk. Bought a bed. Bought all the other shit in my room. Yeah, who wouldn't? Well, I'd rather pick my own. I got a frame and shit, metal thing. And I went out and got a mattress. But I wanted to buy one of these water ones, you know, those water mattresses. Yeah, but I couldn't because my cat will pop it. Just in the middle of the night comes and claws you and they go pop. I can imagine that, just like you're in there at night time around the next thing popping it, like just all bursts. Gee, stuff cleaning that up. What? 35Ks, I'll wait for you. I'll just wait for you anyway, because I'm going to download TeamSpeak and set up a server. So I will have a Euro Truck Simulator server on there, or an EXE gaming server. Yeah, well, yeah, might as well. Is that? These hoes are loyal. Nah, but she texts me right going, look at me, look at, oh shit, oh there we go. Look at me, I got an iPhone 4S and it's an iPhone 3. Yeah, I know I got a Samsung. I did have an iPhone 5, but I sold it and bought a Samsung Galaxy S4 when they were new. But now the Samsung Galaxy S5 is out, and there's like nothing different between them, just except for some for the fingerprint scanner, and it's bigger and uglier. Yeah. Nah, shit. Nah, but I got other photos. Those kind of photos. And titties. I shouldn't be saying this while I'm recording. Some nerd will be jerking off to it. Some nerd who watches this. I don't know, I'll get Callum to watch it. He'll probably, one of my mates at school. There's a nerdy cunt at my school. They'll look her up straight away. And they'll give me shit for it. They go, what the hell? Her eyes are so big. I don't know what's wrong with her eyes. Nah, but her eyes are massive. Don't want to play hide and go seek with those. Night vision on. Whoa. That was almost failing. I normally park on one try, but I just failed that so badly. No, I'm in here, I'm waiting for you. Yeah, I'm just gonna do some stuff. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll have some more videos up in the next couple of days. Peace out.